everybody, how are you today? I am Chinmay. I'm working as a developer at a private company. I have good news for you that I'm going to be launched Python programming, data science, machine learning pre-course for everyone. It's totally free, no need any payment. This course has not any criteria. You are from technical or non-technical background. Every people can learn from this course because it is open for everyone. If you want to learn, this course will help you to learn something from beginning to advance. And you need some devices like laptop, computer, and with internet connection. And you need some editor like VS Code, Python, and online editor. Before talking about installation, I want to describe that why is Python. Python is easy to learn. It is an object-oriented programming language. Now it is using every sector. If you want to develop games, desktop application, mobile application, and if you want to use data science on machine learning and AI system, then you can learn Python. So now I am going to my browser to talking about installation process. For installing Python, you need to go to visit python.org website, and after visiting the website, you will be able to see that download button, and just click all release. If installation package is available, then automatically this website will show you the download button. If not, then you need to click, if you are using Windows system, then click on Windows, then you will be able to see the all releases version as is available here. I am using Ubuntu, and that's why I'm not installing the Windows software, and I'm using Ubuntu. That's why I'm clicking, I'm visiting here. You can see that here has all version is available. So Ubuntu already installed Python, so no need Python installation. And if you are using Mac OS, then you can just visit here, and you will be able to see that installation file, and you just download it and just install it on your system. If you get any problem, then comment down below. I will try to help you later. I'm going to my terminal to show you it is available on my Ubuntu system or not. So I'm going to my terminal, and it is my terminal. I'm going to check Python is available on my machine. So Python 3 -- version. If you want to check version of your system, then just type Python 3 -- version, or if you're using Windows, then maybe you need to write Py 3 or Py -- version. And it is totally same Ubuntu and Mac OS, same command. So now I am going to write something on Python terminal. So I'm just typing Python 3 to go to Python terminal. So now I'm going to print hello world, just typing print and parenthesis and quotation, and just typing hello world. Okay, and you need again double quotation symbol after end of the line, and I'm just hitting the enter button. It is showing hello world. So it is working on my Ubuntu. Already installed Python on my machine, so I checked it. Later videos I will try to talk variables and data types, so please follow this link to reach me and update it with the course. Please share with your friends who want to learn Python from basic to advanced.